Today we're going to show you how to replace old bathroom vanity lighting with new bathroom vanity lighting. First thing you're going to want to do is find your breaker box and turn off the power to that room where the light is. You're going to change or replace. Next thing you're going to do is remove any light bulbs. To remove the old light fixture by removing these screws on the bottom. And remove the ones on top. I need to take a razor blade around the edge just so it doesn't remove the paint. Like ours has been painted around a couple of times, so it's pretty stuck. But then you can just go ahead and pull the light fixture off. Okay, so once you've made sure that the power has been disconnected, you can go ahead and disconnect the wires by removing the caps. Go ahead and remove the ground wire that's attached. Once we've disconnected the wires, we're going to go ahead and remove this base. It's got a couple screws that we're holding it in. So you're going to want to remove the old screws that held your old light fixture in place. We're going to open up our new light. We got it from build.com. This looks like you can unscrew the base with these little knobs. So we're going to measure and try to center the light with the faucet. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and mark. Once you've got the base centered with your mark, you're going to go ahead and put a level on the top. Make sure that the base is level, and then you'll go ahead and mark where your screws need to be. You'll go ahead and take your pencil and mark where the screws need to be on each side. And again, just make sure that it's level. And one thing you might want to do too is paint before you put up your new fixture, in case it's going to change how it looks from how it was before. We are going to go ahead and make a hole for the anchor. We're going to use a nail and a hammer to start the hole. You can use a drill as well. And you'll just put that right where your screw and your anchor is supposed to go. So you can use a stud finder to find the studs in your wall, or you can use the anchors, but you'll just need to go ahead and put the screws in where you had marked from the base of the light fixture. Next thing you'll do is you'll feed the wires through the base. We're just pushing those wires back through the wall so that we can have it sitting flush. And you make sure you get your ground wire through. You'll need to line up the screws with the base and thread the wires through the center. So once the base is on, you'll go ahead and tighten the screws so that they are secure, and again, just make sure that it's level. So now you'll take the green ground screw and screw it in through this top hole. And then you will wrap the ground wire around that screw. And tighten. The next thing you'll do is connect the two white wires. Twist them together. And screw on the cap. And you'll do the same thing with the two black wires, so white to white and black to black. Twist those together. Screw on the cap. So you want to make sure these little bolts on the screws are really tight. So then you'll want to put on the light fixture, and you'll want to make sure that the screws go through that hole. And then you'll tighten the little knob that they provided. Now we're going to turn the power rack on and test the wiring and see if it works. So we tested the wiring and turned the power back on, and it looks like it's working. So now we'll go ahead and sconce on over the bulbs.
I don't know if that fits in there, but yes it does.
Go ahead and screw the light bulbs in once your sconces are in. And that's it. Please subscribe.